Welcome to the Extend Office channel. In this video, we'll be introducing two tools that make inserting rows above or below a breeze. Let's see the contents of this video. First part we will show how to insert multiple rows above or below a cell. The second part displays how to insert rows below the selected rows. Let's dive now. In Excel, adding multiple rows might seem tricky. Typically, you'd have to select an equal number of rows to those you wish to add. Then go through a series of clicks, with the limitation of only adding rows above. But Kutools for Excel's Add Rows feature and the Add Below feature are the game changer. The Add Rows tool allows you to swiftly insert multiple rows, either above or below, all at once. And the Add Below tool supports to right-click to quickly add rows below. Let's dive in and explore how these powerful features can streamline your Excel tasks. Easily insert multiple rows above or below a cell. Right-click on a cell that you want to add rows above or below. Select Add Rows from the context menu. In the Add Rows dialog, choose Above the selection option will add rows above. Choose Below the selection will add rows below. Specify the number of rows you want to add. Click OK. Rows have been added. Quickly insert multiple rows below the selected rows. For adding one row below a desired row, right-click the row number of the row that you want to add a blank row below. Select Add Below from the drop-down menu. A row is added below. For adding multiple rows below selected rows, select the same number of rows as you want to insert. Click at any selected row. Select Add Below from the context menu. Rows are added below.